Super excited to be back to doing more YouTube stuff. I feel like I'm so out of the YouTube loop. Like, I haven't been to the studio here in like, what day is it today? Wednesday? Just about 2 weeks because we have been purging our house. I've been doing more stuff on social media. So I've been home where my computer is instead of here. I'm not sure if the girls are in today. I think Christina said that, I think Christina's coming in, but I'm not too sure about Ivory. And yeah, anyway, I'm trying to get content done today, so I thought I would vlog. I've got some new collections. I need to figure out what is new collections and what is like replacement things. But I think I'm gonna go live to swatch all these new collections because I haven't done a live in a while and I've had some requests to do one. So I'm gonna get all of the new stuff from KoKo and Claire out, and I'm gonna show you guys, I had to replace a couple of products. I'm gonna show you what they were, some of the new products, and then maybe I'll try and get a video filmed of swatching these in addition to the live today. I don't know, I'm all over the place. As much as I'm like super excited to be back to doing more YouTube stuff, I feel like I'm so out of the YouTube loop. Like, I mean, let's be fair, I went down I was doing about 3 videos a week to like 1 a month now. So I feel like I'm kind of out of the groove as to like what I want to do with YouTube. And I appreciate if you guys go to the community tab on my YouTube or like my Instagram. There's a Q&A section if you want to ask questions, and then there is a video request section as well. I won't be doing like product reviews like I used to. Like I'll probably end up doing some for the ones that I sell for like KoKo and Claire Jelly and stuff, and like sometimes I get PR packages, but like for the most part I'm not going to be reviewing a whole bunch of different brands like I used to. Same thing with comparison videos. So I feel like I'm kind of out of the YouTube loop of what I used to do. But I will be doing like more KoKo and Claire stuff and Claire Jelly Stamper hopefully. But besides that, I want to know, like besides product reviews and swatches, like comparisons, that sort of video, I want to know what your guys' favorite videos are. So definitely either comment on this video or go back to the community tab on YouTube so that you guys can let me know. These are new collections here. This one here, this was a new collection here, and then these are some of my staple products from KoKo and Claire. I ordered some backups of some things and I wanted to show you guys these ones because these are like the ones that I was most out of. I'm gonna start with the products that I was most out of. Okay, matte top coat. I never ever want to be without matte top coat from KoKo and Claire. I use this mostly for nail art. If I'm doing stamping on the press-ons, I prefer the stamping to be on a matte top coat. I feel like it looks a lot more smooth. You don't get like, I find you don't get the separation as much of the stamping. If I'm doing chrome stamping, I don't want to do chrome stamping on like a tacky layer or anything because the chrome will just stick to the tacky layer and it'll be a mess. Watercolor you should do on a matte surface as well, or like an etched surface, because it will just bead right off of a shiny surface. So anyway, KoKo and Claire is my go-to because when I do chrome stamping, the chrome doesn't stick to the matte at all. Like some other mattes that I've used, they are a little bit too smooth and the chrome just sticks to them, but not this one. One of the downsides of this matte top coat though is it is super porous. So if you're using it with alcohol inks, it's going to absorb the alcohol inks a lot more. I still use it. I still use this with art inks because I can work the art inks out. But the girls here, they prefer to use like an Ugly Duckling matte top coat instead of this one for art inks. So I like to consider these like my art products. So I have 2 of them. Those are my staples. New collections. We had a cat eye collection come out. 3 different cat eyes. 507, 508, and 509. And then these are the 3 colors. I'm going to do separate swatch videos, but just to kind of show you guys what colors we have so far. And then this is a new collection as well. There was like 4 kind of sparkly shades with it, and then there was 3, they have like a velvet, what do they call it, what do they call that stuff? Flocking powder in it. You can see them over here. And they just give like a cool effect. And KoKo and Claire hasn't come out with one like that yet. So I'm really looking forward to swatching those. And then these were 3 other of my staple colors that like I'm like literally out of these ones. So this one here is To the Moon. It is a gray builder in a bottle color. It's not normally this thick. My bottles are very cold. Yeah, it's not usually this thick, but I like this one for marbling. I love that it's gray versus like a white or a black or anything. I go through this one all the time. And then these two, this one is called Sparkling Sands, and it is a beautiful like neutral creamy color with gold iridescent sparkles to it. Stunning. I use this one a lot for backgrounds of like beachy nails, and this was actually part of that same collection, 364. This one's called Aqua Mint Mist, and this one is a light blue sparkle with the same gold iridescent glitters to it. This whole collection has different colors in it like this, but they all have that gold iridescent color with them. So I use this one a lot for vacation nails as well as snowflake nails. So both of those ones I needed replacements of. Okay, I'm gonna set up to go live and swatch all of these new releases. Hi guys. Okay, I have to quickly comment something. Give me one quick sec. Okay. We are gonna do some swatches today. Oh my gosh, I can't even type today. I had to reorder a bunch of different colors, and these are the 3 that I'm literally like right out of, so I thought I would talk about those so you guys can get an idea of what I love about those too. So I thought I would come on and say hi, and then I'm gonna flip the camera around and we'll do some swatches here too, okay? Okay, the live went really good. While I have these all swatched, I'm going to take pictures of them for the Flora website. Anyway, I'm gonna fill out my planner with what I'm hoping to get done today. I'm trying to think what tomorrow is. I don't know if I will even be here tomorrow, so probably just have to try and get what I can done here today. Really filmed, oh my goodness, YouTube videos here, so I don't even know how this setup is gonna work for me. Okay. Hey everyone, it's Talia. Talia. Ow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta get those on the website too. Ooh. New releases on the website. Let's finish this set of press-ons. This video is probably up now. You can probably watch that. So I'm just going to tidy up. I just have to film the finger of these and take pictures of it for the website and like social media. I'm trying to think if that's everything that I need to do. Here's my planner. This is what you write in a planner, guys. Releases, blog content. Perfect. Okay, yeah. And then I am done for the day, I think. I have to go get my girls soon in about, yeah, and then just go home for the night. So I'm just going to tidy up the my desk here. Filmed a video like this. It feels so weird. I don't know. Anyway, I think I got what I needed done though for the day. So I have Megan's set all ready to go here. I just completely left my press-on cards at home, so I will have to ship that out when I'm in the studio next. I like to arrive at my kids' school really early so that I can get a good parking spot because it gets so congested. I'm just gonna tidy up, put stuff away, and then Eddie and I are gonna head out. I don't even know if I've showed Eddie in this video yet. I moved a polish rack over here. This just like sits beside me. This has like my base coats and my top coats and stuff that I use all the time. But this is new releases. Well, kind of. These ones have already released, but the in-between section of here is new releases. So I'm gonna stack all these colors in there plus the ones that are upcoming in. This is the new On Vogue collection. I'll show it to you guys, but I don't have time to. This one. Oh, these are jellies. This one's a jelly anyway. Love jelly. A light. Ooh, this is a jelly too. Nice. Yeah, so this one releases next week. I will do some sort of TikTok on this soon. I really do like the On Vogue gel polishes. Sent Flora up to a fulfillment center. Like, Flora is still my shop, but the benefits of having it at a fulfillment center is you guys have access to all of the KoKo and Claire gel polishes, which is great, and like the orders go out faster, cheaper shipping, all of that. Anyway, when I sent it up there, it happened really quick, so I didn't have time to make like thank you cards and stuff like I usually do. So I wrote this up on Christina's Procreate, and then she printed it onto my thank you cards for me. So I will have a restock of confetti soon, and when I ship that confetti up to where Flora is now, I'm going to send these thank you cards up too. So if you guys have shopped at my shop, greatly appreciate it. It is my shop, and it is like, it does support me when you guys do that, so I very much appreciate that.